No, it's not. It's not fucking haunted. There ain't no such thing. And my dumb asses, I've been hearing shit all fucking night. Man, I'm fucking scared out of my fucking mind. Last time I seen the little girl, she was over there behind that little dollhouse, man. You guys gotta come with me and check this shit out. I'm fucking scared as shit. You guys gotta be my witnesses. Fuck, dude. Fucking scared out of my fucking mind. Man. Shit. There's nothing back there. Fucking A, man. I don't know why the fuck I agreed to do this shit. Fucking creepy ass doll. Look at that shit. Fucking weird ass people. What the fuck? Dude, I'm fucking scared as hell, man. Fucking scared as shit.